To easily call your favorite contact from the Edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to make sure that the people panel is displayed in the Edge panel and your favorite contact is added to this panel. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display, tap display, scroll down the screen, tap Edge panels, tap panels, swipe through the available panel, and then make sure to select people panel. Tap edit below the people panel. Here your phone will give you some suggested contacts. You can select from here, or you can select one from your contact list by tapping select contacts button. As the example, we will add one from the suggested contact list. Close the setting. To use this feature, swipe the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. Swipe through the panel to find people panel. Tap the desired contact, and then tap call button to call the selected contacts. With your favorite contacts added to the Edge panel, making a phone call becomes super quick. Just swipe and tap. No need to open the phone app or search through contact list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.